In this video, I'll be rolling a joint with a hemp leaf from Native Leaf Company. The Lucy will hold 1.5 grams, so we're going to make sure we use 1.5 grams of flour. We're going to throw some Runtz in that thing. We got to grind it up. You know we got to peep it. Now we got to get the leaf out, but be gentle. I mean, you don't have to be a about it, but don't be rough with it. Now, just unwrap it like you're unwrapping your favorite piece of whatever you're unwrapping, but be gentle, you heard? Now we're going to wrap that thing back up, put it back in the bag, gently seal that thing up, get the glue. This is organic plant glue. I'm getting my glass ooze tray because it's time to moisten that thing up, and spitting on it ain't going to do it this time. We're going to pour just enough water, enough for the leaf to get wet. Then we're just going to lay the leaf in it and gently press. We're going to flip it. We're going to press it again, gently. Then flip it. You see how that's working? We're going to flip it. Then press it gently. Then just flick the water off our fingers. Don't forget the crutches. Flip it again. Press it gently. Then flip it again. We want it moist. Now we're going to place it onto a paper towel or napkin. Now we will fold said paper towel or napkin and gently press dry. Be gentle. You hear that? That's the sound of my paws gently drying the hemp leaf. Yep, that feels perfect. We can just set that down right there for a moment. We're going to circle right back to the leaf, but first we've got to fold this crutch. Find one that you like, give it a light pull, then a gentle fold. We're going to roll it up. Now we're going to place the crutch in the end of the roller and begin to add the flour. Make sure you get as much as you can. Remember, this thing is said to hold up to 1.5 grams. Rake it up, rake it up. This is Runtz we're talking about. Lock it in, now turn that thing. Back to the leaf. This is a natural hemp leaf cured in small batches for 30 days. These aren't your middle of the mall blunt wrap, folks. These are head stashes. Don't forget your glue. Remember, this is organic plant glue, folks. Give it a couple turns in the roller. Open that joker up. Ooh, would you look at that? Now what I like to do is wrap it with a hemp wick. You don't have to, and I don't know if it's recommended or not. What I do know is that leaf is going to dry overnight, and it's a little added security to ensure that the leaf dries properly. And that's it. I'll let you know how this thing smokes.